Hello teacher. Now I will talk you about unforgettable experience. My most unforgettable experience was the trip to Chang'an. It was when I was 12 years old. I went there with my family. What I remember most is that the King Kong movies I loved was filmed there. And when I visited the film sets like the tents and motorboat with guns were still there, I feel very happy and surprised to see it.